Welcome to this tutorial. We are going to build an app, a web app with Dala Studio. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to prepare, need to come up with a prompt. Like for my case, I've prepared. We are going to build a real-time collaboration web app called Huddle, which is similar to Slack. We're going to use a lightweight going to build a lightweight Slack app with Superbase backend. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to get a prompt, and then you'll paste the prompt here. Once you've pasted your prompt here, you can enhance it using enhance prompt. Once you click enhance, the system will enhance the prompt so that it becomes more usable to the AI. So once you've announced like this, you click build up, then you wait for a few seconds. You'll be redirected to this platform where the development will start. So as you can see on your screen, uh, on the left side, the AI agent is currently analyzing the prompt. Then I'm going to give it a few minutes, 2 to 4 minutes, so that it begins developing the solution. Then on the center of your page, you can see there are some prompting tips where we have the show that you can provide code samples. You can use natural language. This and we can give it a few more minutes so that we see how the Dala Studio is developing this web app. As we wait for it, you can also on the top of your screen we have the preview. Then we have code where you can preview the code, you can explore the code. Once it has finished developing, you can preview the code here. And then on this end, you can connect to your GitHub repository, and you can connect to Superbase backend. Then on this end, we have the credits. And then on this end, of course, you have your logo with a badge on it. You can also decide to put either private or public, but by default it has private. So when you hover on this particular item, you'll see that if you set it to the public, it will showcase on the Dala Explore page where other people can use the app that you've developed as a template to come up with a solution for their product. As you can see, the solution is being developed. We can give it a few more minutes, then we can test the solution. solution seems to be a bit so once the solution is done, as you can see on your left, you can click on this and then it say that project preview updated successfully. So you can preview on this end, and you can also click on code so that you can have a look at the code that has been generated. Then if you click preview, you can see the front end of the collaboration hurdle that you've developed. If you want to preview on your web browser, you can click on this link, be redirected to another page where you can see, you can have a look at the solution that you've developed. But as you can see, when I click general, click design, I click engineering, I click marketing and ops hurdle, the link is not navigating to another page. If I click edit description, I can't move to another page. So to do that, you need to remember the three principles for Dala Studio. We have the prompt, refine, and deploy. So for it to make these links functionable, we'll need to refine the prompt. You need to refine the project itself so that it will make it collaborative. So on this end, you just click on this tab, and then you'll say that make the links active so that can link to other pages, to other pages. And then if once you've added this prompt, you can also enhance with AI to just make it more elaborate. So once you've clicked like this, you can see it has enhanced our prompt. Then you click this send. It seems like we did not get to the point well. Then we can give it another try. Then you give a few minutes after sharing the refined prompt so that the AI agent can refine our solution so that it can work. As it refines the prompt, we can have a look at this option to download code as a zip file. And there's also this option of connecting to a custom domain. We want to connect to a custom domain provider. You can also click here. Then once you click here, you'll be redirected to this page, Dala settings, where you can set the domain. As you can see, we also have preference. We also have your account, and there's also project settings. We also have referrals. For referral program, you'll get a bonus of 5 credits. You can download this QR code as a PNG, or you can also copy a link and share with your friend, somebody you're willing to share with. Like for my case, I referred to users and I managed to get 10 credits. Then on this other end, you can also click on the plan to show you the credits, and you can also show the transaction history. And there's also the ecosystem hub where you can link the Superbase, and you can also link with your GitHub account. Like for my case, I have linked to my GitHub personal account. And then for the domains, you can bring your own domain and then you link at this point. And then it is also the analytics, where you'll have the project analytics. There is also the bit of account analytics, where it can show you the account analytics. The solution is still being refined. There is also this element of share. You can share with your friends. Then as our solution is working, you can also click on this, go to dashboard. It can also open the sidebar, and you can tell that these snapshots can go back to this place. Then if you want to go back to your project, you can click open project. It will redirect you back to your project space. And if you want to explore the responsiveness of your web app, you can click on this, where you'll choose the desktop view. There's also tablet view. If you click tablet, it will show you how your solution will look like when it is on a tablet. If you click on mobile view, it will also show you as how it will look like on mobile view. If you click on this navigation, you can tell that it is a sidebar. It looks appealing to the user. This option is also this option as well. If you want to change the plan, you can click on this. It will show you the plan and the credits breakdown. So our model has finished. Our agent has finished. You can click enhance like this. It will show you that this project preview updated successfully. Then if you go back to Gebeya Dala, this tab, and then you refresh your page, we expect to have, if you edit, if you notice that there is no significant change. You click like this, still links on empty and empty link. You click at the top, if you click on the direct messages, still notice that the navigation is not working as expected. If you click on view all members, you can tell that the navigation is still not working as expected. What you have to do, you can go back to this Dala Studio on this bit, and then you can enhance your solution, or you can also you can refine by saying that the navigation is not working, and I would like the navigation links to be fixed and more pages to be added so that the links can navigate the user to different pages. Then once you've done that, you can enhance with AI so that the prompt is more and is enhanced. Then once you've done that, you click send like this. Then the solution, it will start fixing the issue. In the meantime, you can also have a look at the features Like for example, you can tell this is a React starter template, and as you can see, we also have the Radix UI. We also have the element of Lucid React. There's also the dependencies of a framer motion, and it is also TypeScript. If you click on aptx, you can tell that the members that we are seeing on the front end were actually being generated from these list. And there is also the element of React hooks, which is the use effect which has been used. There is also state, where the state is being set. So all these has been generated by the AI agent in Dala Studio. If you're familiar with React TypeScript, then this particular uh, format will be familiar to you. Now, let's click back to preview. Then you'll be back to the screen. And then if you click on these links, you can tell that our earlier issue had not been fixed. So we expect once we fixed the issue, we can give another try, and then we see how it goes. Another feature that we can talk about is if in case you encounter an issue while the solution is being developed, you can go back to a restore point by clicking this option here. If you click this restore to this point, it will restore your solution to this point, and it will get rid of the other items below. So as you can see, it has finished refining our code. So if we proceed to this tab and refresh, we expect to see some improvement. You can see at the top, you can see that the link is changing to show that there's some item, some refinement that has taken place. We also click on this end, see the roadmap, the brand assets. So the noticeable change is on this channel. The channels, you can tell that it has been updated. So that is, in summary, that is how the Dala Studio works. If you want to get more, want to play around with this solution, you can set it as a public, say continue. Then this solution is now set as public. You can reuse the template and come up with a more batch solution. Thank you.